Hi, this is Vignesher, URK 19CS1052. In this class, we are going to see about doubly linked list. Doubly linked list is a type of linked list in which each node apart from a sorting its data has two links. The first link points to the previous node in the last list and the second link points to the next node in the list. The first node of the list has its previous link pointing to the null. Similarly, the last node of the list has its next node pointing to null. And the two links helps us to transverse the list in both backward and forward direction, but sorting an extra link requires some extra spaces. In this program, I use C++ language. First, as include I use string.h and as include using namespace std struct node. Info struct node star next and struct nodes are previous. And first we see create a list and add begin and add after. Add begin adds a new node in the beginning of the list, and while after add after into value and in position. That means adds a new node before another node. Add a new node after another node and delete the element and search that element and display this list, and that's all. And we're going to see main function. In main function we choose a choice like in choice and the element and the position of the list, and that's all. While loop and cout operations on doubly linked list. That means operations all in doubly linked list. And first one is create a node. If we give 1 means we have to create a node, and 2 means add at the beginning, and 3 adds as after position we choose, and the fourth one is delete the element, and fifth one is display, and sixth one is quiet, and enter your choice. That means we have to enter 1 to 6. If you choose 7 or 8 means it is wrong input. And switch cases. Case 1 enter an element, insert an element, and case 2 like add begin that element, and case 3 element after a position, after element at after add that after, and the fourth one is element of that enter the element to delete that list, and fifth one display that one, and sixth one is the wrong choice. That means exit. If you give 7 or 8 means it will come wrong choice. And we see the definition how to insert a double linked list. This is how to create a list. Struct node and temp, and temp is equal to new means that struct node, and temp info is equal to it. If temp is null means if start is equal to null, and temp of preview is equal to null. These are to create a list from doubly linked list, and we see how to add the beginning of the list. How to insert the data in the beginning. The preview pointer of the first node will always be null, and next will point to front. If the node is inserted in the first node of the list, then we make front and end point to this node. Else we only make front points to this node. These are how to create data, insert data into the beginning. And we make the current front node preview point to the new node, make next of the new node point to current front, and preview of the new node point to the null. We change front node to the new node. And next we see how to add data from after. How to insert data after a node. Let us say we are inserting the node y after x, and y preview pointer will point to x and y. Next pointer will point the node x as next pointer is pointing, and the next pointer will now point to y. We need to make sure that if x is the last node of the list, Then after adding y, we make the endpoint to the y. Here I wrote this program how to add a list after a node. Start is equal to null. Cout first create the list and we enter the element. Construct node temp and q int I q is equal to star for loop. That's all. And element are inserted. Then we see how to delete that element. How to delete a node? Delete of a node is quite easy. Doubly linked list but requires special handling if node to be deleted. If first or last element of the list, unlike singly linked list where we require the previous node, here only the node to be deleted is needed. We simply make the next of the previous node point to the next of a current node. Node to be deleted and preview of the next node point to previous of current node. Previous of a current node. These are going to deleted element. See, temp is equal to start. Start is equal to start of next and start is of preview is equal to null. That means that element will be deleted. And q is equal to start, while q is next equal not equal to null means we will delete that element in the list. That's all how to delete that element. And we see how to display that. How to display the whole Doubly links. First struct node start q. If start is equal to null, that means cout list empty. That means that Doubly links have that is empty, and we insert the list. Q is equal to start cout that means that there is the element in the Doubly links, so it will show. While q is not equal to null, so cout q imported. That means this symbol will come and cout equal to null. And then this is my program, and I show the output. Enter our size. I create a node. Enter the element 2, and I create a node called 3, and another I create on node called 4, and another one create element called 5, 6. Okay, I want to add that beginning, so I create 2. Add that beginning, so add that beginning. I click with 9 and add after a position 3. Enter the element called 8. Insert element after a position 3. So I want to delete, so delete the element for deletion. I give 4. Okay, I want to display, so I give 5. See, 9 2 3 8 5 6. I deleted 4, so it will come 2 9 2 3 8 5 6 and none. This is my program. If I give choice 7 means it come wrong choice, so 6 quite. This is my program. It runs successfully. Thank you for watching.